Goa are now stepping beyond the boundaries of textbooks and experiencing the wonders of space firsthand. Science is no longer confined to blackboards, it is now unfolding across a 360-degree digital sky. Under the guidance of Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, the launch of Tare Zameen Par, the Mobile Planetarium and STEM Education Initiative is transforming learning into an immersive experience.
आणि जी हाची सुरुवात आम्ही मुद्दामून आमच्या रुरल आणि ग्रामीण पीएमसी स्कुलांतल्यान केल्या कारण तुमचेर फोकस सदोदीत गव्हर्नमेंट हायस्कुलात आमच्या सरकाराचो फोकस हो चड मोठ्या प्रमाणात आसता. आम्ही सातत्यात पळयता की आता फक्त पुस्तकी ज्ञान न्ही तर आम्ही सातत्यात पळयता की सायंटिफिक टेम्परमेंट, क्युरियोसिटी आणि क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग हे भुरग्यांच्या मदीं वाडपाक जाय.
As part of this initiative by the Goa government, an inflatable mobile planetarium has been built. Through advanced digital projection technology, students are being taken on a journey into space and astronomy. Alongside this, STEM kids are giving students hands-on exposure to rocket launching and live scientific experiments, making science more practical and engaging.
And the aim of this outreach program is to encourage students to know about astronomy. Students who are living in rural areas or villages, they are not accessible or they have to travel very long distance to go to the planetarium. That's why we have made it very easy so the planetarium becomes accessible to all the people also and the students in government schools and government aided schools.
The program is primarily focused on rural schools where it has created a strong impact on both students and teachers. Students say that after this initiative, science has become more interesting and easier to understand. Teachers too see it as a major step towards modernizing education and making learning more interactive.
Our students in science subject and also in geography, they have got this topic. Like stars, solar system, they have got this topic and now here they can see it practically. So it will also help them in learning the concept.
This initiative is boosting both curiosity and confidence among students towards science. The Mobile Planetarium is turning science into more than just a subject, it is turning it into an exciting and inspiring experience for the young minds of Goa.